Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Cardano video update for Sunday 14th of August. Now Cardano is looking pretty awesome. Now the last time that I made the video about Cardano, I talked about the bear flag and where the bear flag was going to take Cardano down to. Okay, so that was a clear bear flag nonetheless. Okay, so doom. But when Bitcoin gets bullish, no bear pattern is going to be playing. Okay, otherwise it could have played out. Now the thing is that this was a clear bear flag back in the days, and I told you the only way that I'm going to flip positive about Cardano is that you come up and you break the flag itself, and that's exactly what you did. So now that you're breaking the flag, the question really is, what are you about to do? Now this weekly structure, it's pretty much a bottoming out structure, and this looks like more of accumulation and a rounded bottom. Okay, so that's pretty much a rounded bottom right there, and I just want to Google very quickly some stuff about rounded bottom. So let's do that really quickly. That's gonna be rounded bottom, just like that, and we're gonna go to the images right here. Just gonna show you some of these images of the rounded bottom so that you can get the concept done right. So this is pretty much how the rounded bottom looks like. Okay, something like that, or you can even say something like this one right here. You went to the sideways, move up, and break this neckline and try to move up. So this is what you're looking for. This is what you're looking for in the weekly, and I do believe next week you're going to have a little bit of retracement for Cardano. So you're going to see Cardano maybe having a technical target from we're talking from there to there, and this is where you're breaking out right now. So Cardano is looking to actually come up to the 7672, 76 cents. And from here, guys, this is going to be a nice pump to the 33% move to the upside. And a news came in that Cardano just took over XRP for the number 6 spot as well. Just recently, I just heard that news. And that's pretty much it for this Cardano video. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to get more updates, do subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to see you.
Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group, and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Atom Coins, and you are gonna go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.